Happy Mother's Day to all of you beautiful mothers out there. I just wanted to share a beautiful little salad recipe for you that I found from Forksourknives, and it's plant-based obviously, and it is vegan. Watermelon Jicama Salad. It's delicious. 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1/2 teaspoon of lime zest, 4 ounces of jicama, 2 pounds of watermelon, large chops. We're gonna chop that up. Need 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger, and 1/2 teaspoon of lime zest, a tablespoon of mint. I'm gonna do chiffonade style. I have a few herbs. Here's some mint. Just gonna roll it up like that. Deseed and dice it. Take out the seeds. We're gonna get these guys in little dices. Jalapeno. Let's see, 3.2 pound watermelon, but as you can see, a lot of this is rind. I actually want to use this knife right here because it's curved and it's easier to get around. There we go. Okay. The watermelon. Okay, so we have 2 parts here, and we're just gonna slice it. Simple.
Do it this way.
Anyway is the best way, so there is no particular technique. Dump it into here. There you go. Sliced watermelon. 1 inch to 1.5 inch pieces like that. Let's do this side. Slice it down.
Slice it down the middle. And away, and I'm gonna put it on the bottom. 2 that way. And the other half. There we go.
Dump that in there. 2 pounds of watermelon. We have our 2 tablespoons of brown coconut sugar. And we put 1.5 tablespoons of water. Okay, while the sugar and the coconut sugar in the water is dissolving, which it's pretty much dissolved, I'm gonna let it cool for 10 minutes. And while that cools, we're gonna add that jicama to the watermelon and the medium diced jalapeno that's deseeded, and your tablespoon of mint. Okay, we're gonna mix this together. I'll grab a spoon. This smells already really amazing. You know how good watermelon is for you. It's refreshing. You can make this all summer. It's delicious and so simple to make. I wanted to make something nice and special for our mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Our beautiful moms. Now that the coconut sugar and the water is dissolved and cooled, my little pan here, I used coconut sugar because it's low glycemic, and it tastes to me just as sweet as regular brown sugar. So you can use whatever sweetener you'd like, but if you want to try to keep it on the healthier side, you might want to use a coconut brown sugar, or maybe if you have a monk fruit sugar, something like that could be better, or something like just like sugar. So gonna add your lime juice, which was 2 tablespoons, 1/2 teaspoon of lime zest. So this is your syrup that's gonna go on your salad, and then you're going to enjoy. I'm telling you, this is refreshing. It's so good. Watermelon Jicama Salad. And I want to let you know that I found this beautiful recipe from Forksourknives. It's a vegan recipe, plant-based, and refreshing. Happy Mother's Day.